Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Voxel Destruction Physics, which is also Teardown, but just a Roblox remake. And it's also very accurate to Teardown. Alright, what do we got in the spawn menu? Hold on. Maxwell. You're joking. What's a VB Pro? Alright, we'll spawn Maxwell. Go Junior, go Junior, go Junior. Maxwell, save me from this thing. Come on, Maxwell, let's go, Maxwell. Maxwell, he's behind us. Maxwell, he's behind us. Go. Maxwell, he's behind us. He's gonna touch our booty cheeks, Maxwell. Protect me, Maxwell. We're cooked. We're cooked, Maxwell. Come on, Maxwell. How is he still behind us?
Give me my money.
No. Maxwell, stay here. Don't worry, I got you, my heart. I gotta check, actually, you know what? Come here. We're going together. Maxwell, bro. Come on, Maxwell. Actually, Maxwell, what you think of this?
Yo, word of my mother, put me down or I'm gonna slap the shit out you and do cock and ball torture on your ass, nigga. You hear me, little nigga? Don't ever try to test me again, you Johnny Test looking ass bitch.
Yeah, stay here, I'll be back.
Nigga, shut your dumb ass up before I make you eat 40 rusty nails, you prick ass bitch.
You so ugly. You ugly, okay? You just ugly. I don't know why, but you just born ugly, nigga. You ugly.
Yo, who you talking to? I really fold your dumb ass right now.
My fault. Yo, I was joking, bro.
Nah, catch this one.
Chill. Yo, Maxwell, help.
Yo, dumb ass,
Maxwell, I got you, honey. Maxwell, come on, please, get him. I can't get Maxwell. Pussy. Yo, Maxwell, remember when you set me up? You set me up, Maxie.
Talking about. No,
you set me up, Maxwell.
No.
Yeah, you set me up, stupid. Now I'ma set. Alright, let's see what else we can spawn. Disasters. Let's spawn a tornado. Oh. We might be cooked. But wait. We're good. We're home free. No, like, we're actually good. It's not that big of a tornado. Sinkhole. Uh-oh. Damn. That's wild. Nigga, what? Bro, look at me! Look at me! This game is devious. This game is devious. My frames are dying. I'm doing a stinky leg. This game's devious. So that was Teardown in Roblox, aka Voxel Destruction Physics. I mean, it was kind of a weird game, but it was also very fun to play. So if you want to see more of this, leave a like. If you enjoy, subscribe. Cause I'm an underground YouTuber. But nonetheless, yeah, I'll see you later. Bye bye.